everyone, I'm Gitanjali. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. From the title of the video, you would have already guessed what this video is all going to be about. But for those who don't know me, hi, I'm Gitanjali. I'm a CA finalist who just finally managed to clear her Group 2 CA final exams last Sunday. I know I'm quite late in putting this video out there, but believe me, I have a story behind putting it this late. Firstly, before I jump right into the story, first of all, how are you all doing today? How is your mental health? How is life in general? Because so much has happened to me in the last couple of days that I don't know where to begin. But yeah, like I said, I finally managed to clear my Group 2 CA final exams last Sunday. And wow, I always thought that I'm going to be very, very happy, but I didn't know I'm going to be this happy that when I would clear Group 2 exam that I would just cry, cry and only cry. Let me tell you what actually happened the day before the results were out. Last Sunday the results were out and Saturday I remember my entire head being a chaos. I was feeling chaotic within. They were like scattered thoughts within. कुछ नहीं पता चल रहा था कि क्या होने वाला है. Like I have my results coming up tomorrow and there's so much mixed emotions in me. I'm not able to sleep that entire night. I kept reaffirming myself कि ना हो जाएगा, no हो जाएगा, don't worry. It's just so sad sometimes when we think that the ability to not trust ourselves during the most important moment of our lives is just not exams. At any stage of your life, the moment you are confronted with fear, you easily abandon yourselves, and that's what I've been doing all these years. I would always give my 200% to the exams, but when it came to the results, I just could not find it in me to believe in myself. The first time I wrote the exam, I didn't believe in myself. The second time I failed, my confidence kept decreasing. Third, fourth, fifth kept decreasing to an extent where I just had no faith in myself that I will ever clear this exams. But this attempt, I mindfully practiced that. I just told myself कि जो भी होगा देखा जाएगा. But first thing is I need to start believing in myself. If you don't believe in myself, then I don't think even God would want to help me. And that is when my entire um, journey of believing in myself began, where I realized it's so easy to not believe in ourselves, but the moment comes where you have to believe in yourself, the entire process is so difficult because all this time I've been feeding into my mind that no, I'm not capable of clearing the exams, no, I cannot do this or do that. But when I have to put in that extra effort to believe in myself is when it becomes really difficult. So that night when I kept telling myself ki, and it just never started with that night, the entire attempt when I wrote the papers, I just kept telling myself that no, this time I'm going to believe in myself, like jo bhi hoga dekha jayega, but first thing is I have to believe in myself. And that night I could not sleep. I had so many things ki na ho jayega, it's fine. Like my entire heart and soul is in chaos, but no, I will clear this attempt. That's all. That is the only thing that is in front of me right now. And that morning when I woke up, the results were out about 8:30ish, if I'm right. But because I did not get proper sleep the previous night, I was not able to wake up in the morning. I woke up around like 10:30ish in the morning, and the first thing when I turned on the net, I have this office WhatsApp group where everyone kept sending messages like, oh, congratulations, this and that. And I was very happy for them. But when it came to me, itni फट रही थी मेरी कि अरे God, what's going to happen? What's going to happen? What's going to happen? I just calmed myself down. Like though anxiety had completely like taken control over me, I just told myself ki, let's take this slow. Let's have like a slow morning. I don't have to rush into it. The results are going to wait for me regardless. I took a shower, ate good breakfast, and when I sat to meditate is when the entire anxiety had finally surfaced. I remember crying so much. मैं ओम नमः शिवाय बोल रही हूँ, मैं शिव जी का नाम ले रही हूँ, मैं हनुमान जी की नाम ले रही हूँ, and I'm crying कि नहीं हो जाएगा, I deserve this attempt, नहीं, I believe in myself कि हो जाएगा. I would have cried for good 20-25 minutes. एंड उसके बाद मैंने एक ही बात अपने अपने आप से बोली थी कि जो भी होगा आई एम गोना डील विद इट. बस अब तो दिस इज मी. आई हैव डन एवरीथिंग इन मी टू मेक दिस वर्क. सो फाइनली आई विल क्लियर दिस अटेम्प्ट. मतलब दिस इज माइन. दिस अटेम्प्ट इज कम्प्लीटली माइन. एंड उसके बाद आई केम आउट. आई रिमेंबर आफ्टर सम टाइम आई हैड अ फ्रेंड knocking at the door, and the moment I opened the door, he had a small package which I didn't pay much attention to because my entire mind was in the results. The moment he entered and then he gave me the result card, I remember going numb. I didn't see my name, I didn't see the roll number. I just saw the word successful, and I kept crying the entire time. I just told myself few seconds ago ki I won't cry now, but I remember crying so much for the next half an hour. Maybe it was because after so long I finally managed to believe in myself that the result was amazing. God, I'm already starting to tear up, but sorry guys, I just got a bit teary. But yes, like I was continuing the story, it's probably because um, there were so many years where I chose not to believe in myself, and that one attempt which I chose to believe in myself finally gave me the results which I really wanted. I think the entire beauty of it just taught me that you need to believe in yourself even before God can believe in you. Like, He cannot make miracles happen if you don't choose to believe in yourself. How many of times have we abandoned ourselves when we need ourselves the most? Always, right? I've done that pretty much all the times when it comes to my CA exams. Like, always, I don't know why I always believed that I was not capable of clearing exams. I don't know why I always thought that maybe I was not meant to clear the exams. Though deep down I knew I can, but I just did not believe in myself. There's so many times when we want to do a lot of things, but this fear in us overshadows our entire heart and soul that we just don't see past it. It's just so strong that we choose not to believe in ourselves, and I don't know why I thought that I cannot clear exams at all. While the truth was, I'm just as capable of clearing my exams as anyone else on this planet. I think that was a learning I had for the first 2 days once I got my results. And I say that because even though I cried, I think the feeling of me finally clearing my group 2 didn't hit me until the third day. I'll tell you why. Because I was really happy, I was so grateful. But I think a couple of days ago, when I had opened the ICI SSP portal, so basically it's a portal where you go on to pay fees for your upcoming exam. Since I have group 1 left, when I opened the portal, logged in to my portal, so you have this tab, right, where you have at which year you cleared your foundation level, and then your inter IPCC group 1, group 2 year of passing. Whenever I would log in the past, whenever I would log in, I've never had uh, my save final reflect over there. And a bit of um, sadness would come over to me because इतने सालों से एग्जाम्स लिख रही हूँ, और आज भी मैं वहीं पर ही हूँ जहाँ पर मैं कुछ 3 या 4 साल पहले थी. So the moment this time when I opened the tab, I saw my name, I saw CA Final Group 2 Year of Passing 2025, and I think that is when it hit me finally that I finally cleared my Group 2 exams. And when I went over to click on Group 1, the entire box was gray, meaning in the past I had to like select from the drop down menu if I chose to write my Group 1 or Group 2. But since I'd already cleared my Group 2, I just had to like click on Group 1. But since it was a default option, I didn't have to click anything, meaning it was a solid, clear thing that was visible to me that I just have Group 1 left now. I think that moment is when I finally was able to understand that I finally cleared Group 2 papers. Like, oof, the feeling was amazing. I remember again crying after that point. But yeah, keeping all the tears aside, but I just wanted to say that I know, just like me, there's so many out there who would have not cleared their exams, and maybe they're writing from good amount of years just like I have. I just want to say that it's not impossible. It's not that even if you take so many years or 5 attempts, 7 attempts, that does not undermine your capability, does not mean that you cannot clear this exam. It just means that you really need to start believing in yourself. See, like I keep saying, safe and exams are a combination of your hard work and your luck, right? Hard work to basically you're definitely giving it, you're making sure that you cover all the subjects, all the chapters, you're writing the tests, you're doing everything that is possible for you. But luck is only possible when you start choosing to believe in yourself. Like you cannot say things to yourself कि मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा, और अरे ये पेपर तो डिफिकल्ट आने वाली है तो मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ. No, I mean, there are certain things you cannot control. Like they're just not in your hand. Like you building up a story based on one small emotion ki, for example, uh, dt paper difficult aega, like you can't build up story based on that one small emotion which is not even concrete yet. You can't say ki, okay fine, this paper is going to come difficult, so why should I study? No, you have to do your work regardless. That's up to God as to how he's going to bring out the papers, but it's also up to God to make sure how you clear those papers as well. So stop telling yourself, stop sabotaging your life, your goals, your dreams, just because of some baseless emotion that comes to your mind. Stay away from all this negative self-talk. Stop telling yourself that you can't do it and start telling that you can do it. It's going to be very difficult in the beginning for someone who is not used to believing in themselves, just like for me how difficult it was to like believe in myself. But I see it happening for me, I see it happening for you as well. But that can only be possible if you keep the chaos out of your head and start focusing on what is important for you and not what is important for others. In the upcoming videos I'll definitely talk about other aspects as well, but this video I'm gonna cut it here. I think it's already gonna be quite long, but yes, do take care of yourselves. Choose yourself and choose to believe in yourself. Alright guys, that is all for today's video. I'll see you in my next. Until then, take good care of yourselves. Bye bye.